see everybody next Thursday. Yep, grab everyone from campus too if they want to come. We can get them caught up. So here's what we have for tonight.
Okay, so we warmed up with obviously sugar push, side pass, and whip. But what happened was we decorated that sugar push for the lead by going 3 and 4. I've kept the lead over here in her track so hers doesn't change. But as I step out on 4, it gives me the ability to sweep 5 and 6. Okay, I just open the door out of the way for 1, 2. As we spin and land on count 4, my goal is to step my shoulder right underneath where her hand already is, not to move the hand. She has the option here of doing a little sideways variation decoration we talked about. I'm just going to French cross, keeps that hand right on the shoulder, right down. Now we find our stretch. I'm already set up for a hammerlock whip, so I'm just going to do 1, 2, 3, take out my and so that I can do a foot change here. Settle back on 4, bring her palm forward up over the head. Now we have the boogie walks because we're on shadow footwork. 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going to use a little bit of compression and forward rotation in the left side of the body to create a check for 9 and 10. Spin her out, take out a couple of steps so that I can be back on the correct footwork for that. Doing that the other direction now without stopping, just to make sure it works. 3 and 4, whoops, with the sugar push variation. 4, 5 and 6, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10, 11 and 12, 13 and 14, or 11, 12 as the case was for the leader's footwork.
Woo!